Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This one is a super special one because I am collabing with my planner bestie, Plan with Martha, on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram down below, and we are both using this sage kit from Alyssa's Craft Shop. She has really beautiful kits, and Martha also has a code and a freebie. I'm sharing her freebie here on the screen here, and you can use her code Martha20 to save. So yeah. If you don't follow Martha already, please make sure that you do. She does also have a YouTube channel, but she hasn't posted in a little while. She is going to school and, busy with all of that, and also has a really cute son named Joshua. So, you can imagine she doesn't have too much time to make YouTube videos. But yeah, if you remember, or you might also remember that we collabed last summer with a Sweet Bella XOXO kit that actually had greens and was silver foiled. So I don't know if that, says something about what we both like, but I mean, it's actually kind of weird because although I love the color green, I don't use too many kits with that color, and especially not a kit that doesn't have pink, which is also true for our kit that we collabed with last year. So weird stuff. But anyway, yeah, go follow Martha on Instagram, and I'll also link her YouTube channel down below, but she is just a really awesome, down-to-earth person. I feel like Martha and I have just really connected, and she's just, just such a real person and friend that I've met in this planner community, which, is always really great. So anyway, okay, so I've laid down the base of the spread. I'm just putting down the full boxes right now. But as far as stickers that were not included in the kit, the only thing was the April script, which is from Lilac Luna Plans. I have a code to that shop. It's Justine15. As always, my codes will be linked down below in the description box. And then that's actually the only thing that's not from Alyssa's Craft Shop. So okay, now on to the daily plans on Monday. Oh, by the way, this is the week of April 5th to the 11th, I think, if that matters at all. I thought this was, this week actually here in New Jersey was actually pretty sunny for April, so I thought this was a nice kit to use, just kind of mimic the weather there. But this day I did some morning yoga. You can't really see it now, but I used a gym bag sticker from Paper Blush Bar to mark that, and then I marked that I had 2 meetings. I'll show you that better when we get to Tuesday. Here I'm using a White Deer stationery phone icon to mark that I called some contractors. My boyfriend and I just purchased a house, and we do have a lot of things that we want to do to the house. Specifically, I was calling contractors because we're looking to remodel our kitchen. And then at the end of the night, I did I filmed my very first Plan With Me in our new home, and that Plan With Me is up on this channel. I can link that in the description box also if I remember. But I just pulled in a camera filming icon from Crafts by Towie, and then a circle doily from Alyssa's Craft Shop, which I just love. I love the style and the shape of those, even though they're quite small, but in a nice way, but I can't really write too much in there. And you'll see kind of later on in the spread that I do struggle with the fitting what I want to write in there. Okay. On Tuesday, wow, I am just rambling, huh? Okay, on Tuesday I got woken up super early by Archie, so I wanted to mark that. I pulled in a teacup icon from Planning World. And then, so I marked my meetings the same way every day this week. So I just pulled in a quarter box from the kit, and that really pretty work icon from the Pretty Pinko. That is a pretty new icon in her shop, and I really love how it's not just your standard only laptop sticker. There's a notebook, some flowers, and a coffee. So it kind of looks like, it's like a desk scene. So I really like that. I like the style of that icon a lot. So I pulled that in every day to mark work or my work meetings. And then we had some people come by to inspect our hot water heater. So I just pulled in like a scallop from the kit and a swooshy from Lilac Luna Plans. And then to mark that we had a landscaper come by to give us a quote on our yard work, I just pulled in that plant icon from the Pretty Pinko. Okay. Here I'm pulling in another one of those Alyssa's Craft Shop circle doilies, and then this swooshy is from Honey Inked. Marking that one of the contractors came in to see our kitchen to give us a quote. Wow, it seems like half this spread has to do with like home stuff, and honestly, that really is what the last month has felt like. It feels like, all I'm doing is working or like doing / planning things for the home, and like, yeah, I don't know, this like home ownership has really taken over my life. Can anyone, I know I've been talking to Connie about this quite a bit because she has done like quite a few remodeling and renovation projects, so she's kind of like been my sanity checker the past month. But any other homeowners like feel me on this? Like there's no end to anything, right? There's always something to do. There's always like it's just always kind of a stress point, I guess. But what can you do? I think I expected this. and obviously some of it is also self-inflicted because we're choosing to do like all the work, all the like yard work in the kitchen and stuff. So yeah, the joys of home ownership. Am I right? Okay. So up until this point, all of our meals have been takeout, to be honest. So on Thursday, I finally went to the grocery store and made our first home cooked meal, which is a very simple, easy enchilada casserole. You can see here, like, this is just an example of how, like, I wanted to fit so much in that circle, but I had to kind of abbreviate the words to make it all fit. But yeah, it was nice to finally have a home cooked meal because we had just been eating like trash for like, I guess, even when we're still at the apartment, we ordered a lot of takeout just because we didn't want to like wash dishes like in between packing and stuff like that. So yeah, good stuff. On Friday, I did, upload a plan with me that day. So I pulled in that icon from Lilac Luna Plans, which I really do love her YouTube icons. My boyfriend went to visit his brother this day, so I pulled in that car icon from Sadie Stickers. On Saturday, Archie just had a routine vet appointment, so I marked that with a white deer stationary paw icon. And then we also went to brunch at a place called Turning Point. It's a really yummy brunch place. There's a few locations here in New Jersey. So I just pulled in a cappuccino icon from Planning World, which was very fitting because, of course, with brunch, we're gonna get cappuccinos. So that was nice. What did I have for brunch? I had I think they called it the Big Easy Eggs Benedict, but it was basically like a spicy, I guess Creole inspired. I'm not really sure. Eggs Benedict, where they had a chorizo, like a yummy spicy type of sauce. And yeah, and then like obviously like the roasted potatoes on the side. So it was really, really yummy. Some avocado in there. Yeah, I really liked. Oh, and then instead of an English muffin, they put like cornbread on the bottom. So I love that. I love Eggs Benedict just in general, but I just love when places have like their own spin. Or like different versions of Eggs Benedict. Just love that. Okay, just a very nice tried and true brunch staple that with like a little bit of a twist. Okay, here I took the last scallop half circle from the kit. This one was like obviously quite patterned, so I couldn't write on it, but I put that honey inked mandala on top of that, and I love layering mandalas or like that kind of shape, that half circle shape on top of like half circle scallops. I just think that looks pretty good. And I'm using this half box to mark that I unpacked and relaxed at the end of Sunday. I watched some Grays, which I think was super fitting, or like kind of coincidentally fitting, that I end this plan with me with myself by like marking that I watched Grays, because Martha, well, first of all, I love Grey's Anatomy, but actually Martha is probably more obsessed with Grays than I am, surprisingly. So I just thought that was like a funny thing to know for this specific collab with her. So this is the final spread. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.